Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn $6 per advertisement view. Let's unlock your earning potential just by watching ads. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Discover the ultimate satisfaction of an easy way to earn $6 per ad by joining getpaid2.com. Watch captivating ads from top brands and get paid effortlessly. No experience is needed, just a few minutes of your attention. Sign up and start earning today. Let me break it down for you step by step on how to make $6 just by watching an ad on getpaid2.com. So stay with me so you won't miss out on the money-making train, and let's get you started the right way. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. I'll walk you through how getpaid2.com operates, step by step, so you're crystal clear on how to pocket that $6. Guess what? I've got a bonus for you. I'll reveal how to automate the process, letting you earn from other people watching those ads. Double win, right? You'll notice that they've got various ways to pay you. Take your pick to PayPal, Skrill, crypto, or straight to your bank account. Oh, and get this, you can cash out from a measly 50 cents. That's pocket change you can rack up quickly. Now if you're in the US or UK, there's a cherry on top. You can opt for Amazon gift cards. But let's not get bogged down with all the choices right now. Start with PayPal. It's simple, widely used, and available worldwide. Don't have an account? No sweat. Just breeze over to paypal.com and sign up. It's free, easy, and takes a few minutes. Alright, back to business. Your first order of the day is setting up your account. Piece of cake. Hit the Join Free Today button and you'll land on a page where you type in your details, name, email, you know the drill. Once that's sorted, confirm your email, then log in using your email and password. Now GetPaid2 isn't a one-trick pony, but today we're locking onto the money train by watching ads. Don't let all the other options confuse you. Our bullseye is earning from watching ads. You'll see a bunch of different offers, points being earned left and right, and even others flaunting their cash hauls. But here's the gold mine. There's a special spot on the site where the ad watching magic begins. Head to where it says earn points, then slide into quick points. These are your money makers. See the option to click on earns for easy points? That's where the treasure's buried. Hit the green view button, then kick back and watch that quick ad. Watch those points stack up like pancakes. These points are your ticket to cash. And guess what? New ads pop up every 24 hours. Rinse and repeat for more moolah. It's that simple. And here's how it goes. No downloads, just watching ads, it's simple. To catch them all, you might need around 20 to 30 minutes. Let's jump into the next part of this journey, referrals. This is where you get paid when others hit those buttons, watch the ads, and you earn a slice of their earnings. This part is golden, so stay tuned. But wait, before we dive into referrals, there's another spot to snag points by watching ads. Head back to the homepage and this time tap on featured offers. You might just stumble upon more ads to watch. Now let's pivot back to the game plan. Referral. As you scroll down, you'll spot the shining star, the referral program. Click on that orange box that reads See Your Referrals. You'll be whisked away to a page that's all about raking it in by inviting friends and showing them how easy online earnings can be. Here's the scoop. For every person you bring in, you snag a 15% cut of their earnings. So, let's crunch the numbers. If someone makes $200, you're pocketing a sweet $30. If they crank it up to $1,000, your share jumps to a cool $150. And to go on like that, it's practically money for nothing except spreading word about the site. Now, it's time for the strategic play that will boost your daily earnings. And it won't cost you a dime. Start today. Here's how. First, copy that referral link of yours. Once it's in your pocket, make your way over to Facebook. In the search bar, type in Money Making Online. When the results pop up, hit the Groups tab and target public groups. They'll let you jump right in. Once you're in, take a minute to size things up. Check the group's member count and how active it is. Bigger and busier are better. But hey, we're not about spamming your link left and right. Instead, craft a catchy post that introduces this new money-making platform. Highlight the potential of racking up cash just by watching ads. Sprinkle in a line of, type how if you want the details. You can tweak it, spice it up, you get the gist. Now pay attention because here's the gold rush. When they comment, slide into their private messages and share your referral link. Boost the allure by throwing in a screenshot of a payment receipt to seal the deal. It's a powerful move that adds legitimacy and attracts even more curious clickers. This strategy is a game changer, smart moves, no spam, no bans. Just a smart way to reel in those referrals. There you have it, the smoothest route to raking those referrals without ruffling any feathers. It's all about working smart, not spamming hard. Go ahead, work this strategy like a pro. Now if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Oh, I almost forgot. I have another smart move to supercharge your referral game. Don't just drop the link and disappear. When you message people, make sure you follow up. Be their guide, answer their queries, and help get the hang of the website. Your patience pays off. They'll trust your guidance and you'll earn even more. Now, let's talk about another stellar route. Quora.com. Think of it as a treasure trove of questions. You're the answer guru. People flock here to ask about all sorts of stuff. And guess what? It's a golden opportunity for us. Here's the playbook. Type money making online in the search bar. Voila, a sea of questions on how to rake in the cash online. Your job? Simple. Dive into those questions and start answering. Let them in on the secret, introduce them to the website. Oh, and don't forget to sprinkle your referral link in there too. But hey, remember the golden rule. No link bombs without adding value. Provide legit answers, give them some insight, and then slide in that referral link. Trust me, it's the way to go. If you just spam, your account might be waving bye-bye. Let's be savvy about it. So there you have it, folks. These tricks are yours to seize. The best part? They're all in the free zone. No need to shell out a dime. Plus they're global, it doesn't matter where you call home. So unleash these tactics and watch the money roll in. Armed with these insights, you can turn a few minutes of ad watching into a pocket full of extra cash. You've got the roadmap from the user-friendly realm of getpaid2.com, where $6 for watching an ad becomes a satisfying reality, to the art of strategic referrals that can multiply your earnings effortlessly. Remember, it's not just about clicking buttons, it's about doing it smartly. Engage with potential referrals, guide them, and answer their questions. That's where trust is forged. And let's not forget the power of Quora, a digital playground where your valuable answers can create a stream of passive income for you day in, day out. Best of all, this isn't a scheme limited by borders. No matter where you reside, these methods are at your disposal absolutely free. So what's next? It's time to dive in. With these strategies in your arsenal, you're poised to earn money in a way that's both rewarding and, dare I say, fun. Go ahead, start your journey, and remember it's not just about the dollars earned, but the smart moves you make that truly count. So seize this opportunity, but remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. Happy earning and best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business.